What is his story? What can we learn from him? And how can he enrich our understanding of the past?
Okay, very good.
Dr. Eduard Igarter-Wiegel calls an end to Gary's visit. Finally, it's time to reveal the 3D print.
Oh my gosh, this is fantastic.
Transformed from liquid to solid.
The face details are beautiful. That is absolutely fantastic.
Utzi's body has been reconstructed as one extremely detailed hollow piece of plastic.
Beautifully translucent, but it still captures all the forms and the shapes. Lovely.
As the model emerges, the Iceman is reborn.